guys, so we are at CVS. Let's go inside and see what deals we can pick up today. Hey guys, I'm doing Revlon spend 15, get 5 back. I am picking up 4 products, 2 of the Revlon Eye at $9.59 and 2 of the lips at $5.49. So for everything is $30.16. I'm going to use this 5 off of 25, and I'm going to use the $4 instant coupon along as 2 $2 lip, 2 $3 eye products. I'm going to pay $11.16. I'll get $10 back. I'll also get back $12 on Ibotta, $3 for each product, and a $3 beauty buck in 48 hours, making everything free and a $13.84 moneymaker. Okay guys, so I have a free nail clipper, Beauty 360. I'm getting this at $3.59. It's up to $4, so this will be completely free, this one right here. Okay guys, so I'm picking up this acne wash at $7.79 along with the nail clipper. So for both it'll be $11.38. I have 2 $3 off CRTs and a 2 off of 10, so they both will be completely free. Okay guys, so the Clairol is buy 2 get $4 back. I'm picking up 2 at $7.99. I have a free hair care CRT that's going to take $9 off. I have a $5 digital and a $2 digital, which I'm hoping both glitch. Everything will be free and a $4 moneymaker. Okay guys, I'm picking up 2 of the Cetaphil at $9.79. It's already in my cart. It's buy 1 get 1 40% off. So one will be $9.79. The other one will be $5.87. For both, it's $15.66. I have a 5 off of 2 CRT and a 3 off of 15 Cetaphil. I'll pay $7.66 and I'll get $6 back on Ibotta, making them $1.66. Okay guys, so I'm doing the Dove deal. It's buy 1 get 1 50% off. Spend $25, get $5 back. I'm picking up 2 at $8.79 and 2 will be $4.39. 4 of them together will be $26.37. I have a 4 off of 20 CRT and I'm going to use 2 of these $4 coupons. I'm going to pay $14.37, getting 5 back, making them $9.37. And I don't mind paying for this because this is what I use. Okay guys, so I'm picking up 2 Iris Spring at $3.99. That's going to be $7.98. There's a $1 digital. I have a 2 off of 2 Iris Spring or soft soap. I'm going to use one of these 75-cent coupons and a $1 digital. I'm going to pay $4.23 and get $2 back, making it $2.23 for both. Okay guys, so I'm doing 2 Colgate deals. 2 of the Colgate total at $5.49. When you spend $10, you get $5 back. 1 of the Sensitive at $6.29 and 1 of the Renewal at $9.29. I have them down here. Everything is $26.56. I have a 5 off of 25 Colgate CRT, 3 off of 2, and a 4 off of 2. The Renewal has a $3 coupon. Hopefully everything comes off. I'll pay $11.56 and I'll get $12 back, making it free and a 44-cent moneymaker. Okay guys, so the Crest is $3.99. There's 2 different deals, so be careful, okay? I'm picking up 4 at $3.99. So let me move down here. 2 of the toothpaste and 2 of the toothbrushes. That is $15.96. I have a 6 off of 4 CRT, $1 for this that I'm hoping it's going to glitch, and I have a 2 off of 5. I'm going to pay $6.96, getting $6 back, making them just 96 cents. Okay guys, I'm picking up 2 of the Cottonelle at $10.49. Both will be $20.98. I have a 4 off of 20 paper CRT, a $1 digital. I don't know if this is still going to scan. It's going to be $15.98. I'll get $5 back, making it $10.98. If I do get this $1 to scan, it's going to be $9.98 for both. Okay guys, I'm picking up 2 of the Ensure at $7.99 and 1 at $8.99. So for everything is $24.97. I have a 5 off of 25 CRT, a 5 off of 3 Ensure. I'm gonna use 3 of these $3 coupons. It's gonna be $5.97. I'll get $3 back, making it just $2.97. Okay guys, I am picking up 3 of these Hallmark gift cards because I have 3 baby showers to go to. They are $1.79 and 3 of the 49-cent bags. So for everything is $6.84. I have 2 $3 off CRTs. I'm gonna pay $6 well, I'll pay 84 cents after the 2 CRTs come off, and I really need these, so this worked out perfectly. Guys, my store still have a lot of these, and we have a $3 coupon. That's going to be $4.89 after the coupon if you need them. Okay, guys, so this is everything I picked up at CVS. My Revlon is up here, and my 2 free nail clippers, my gift cards, and everything else I mentioned in the video. Now, I messed up on the spend 45, get $15 back. I thought the Huggies was included, but it's not. It's on a separate promotion for spend 40, get $10 back. So, yeah, that was my bad. I didn't even include the clip of me talking about it in the video because I realized I did not get my $15, but my store manager printed me a $15 extra buck anyway. So I don't know if I'll even go back and do the deal, or I might just continue the Huggies deal, pick up 2 more packs or something and get that $10 back. So everything you see here, I don't even know the final numbers because I did not calculate it, but the Clairol was completely free. I had a $9, a CRT takes up to $9 off for free. The $5 came off and the $2 came off, making that completely free. The digital glitched for the Lucky Charms, and I got $5 back on Fetch for the Poise. I also had, I got like 60 cents for the Huggies, which that's not a whole lot. Yeah, for the Revlon, this is like the best deal because it's like a $13 moneymaker. So if you have Revlon coupons, my store still accepts them, and even the Cottonelle, the $1 coupon scanned perfectly fine, and they had no problem with it. So guys, this is my haul. So if I get $6 back in beauty bucks, everything will be completely free. Well, not free, but it's gonna cost me 33 cents. If I get $9 back, then everything will be free and a moneymaker. So fingers crossed. I can't even remember what was tracking. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And when we get to 7,000, we'll have another giveaway. So thank you guys. Bye.